former Dogleap winner Raymond Mason has just rebuilt this Group N Cosworth. It's the one that hit the Kai in Malachi Crawford's hands in Donegal. But it seems to be misfiring in the early stages. It all becomes irrelevant, however, in Springwell, when Raymond roofs his pristine machine. Perhaps he saw the sacred Kai again. But fortunately, everyone is perfectly okay. Trevor Moore and Richard Curry blitz everyone in Camp Forest by 7 seconds. They're 4 seconds quicker on stage 2, and the MTC Escort stays on the road on Springwell to lead after 4 stages by 10 seconds. For the 1997 Northern Ireland Rally champion Sean Haveron, who's moved up to 3rd place. Dominic McNeil has always been swift in the forest. The Ballymena driver lies in 4th place after 4.
By the time Willie and Graham McKee come through Springwell, the place is like a battlefield. Mason on the right, Barnett on the left, and Donnelly well and truly ditched. And we've still only done 3 of the 10 stages. Trevor Moore leads the field into service at the halfway point, with all fingers crossed in the MTC camp for the Newton Abbey driver. Dominic McNeil is having brake problems in the KBB Escort, but clings on to 3rd place. Paul Hone calls the notes for the Dungiven driver. But it's Gary White and Barry Taggart of the Shell Helix Escort. They're in 8th place.
Jimmy Logan is very unfortunate to wreck his rear suspension on the very last stage after climbing as high as 10.
And so to the top 20 of the Parker Plant Dogleap Rally. Tosh McKee and his son Graham bring the BSS Cosworth home in 20th place.
Some of the hairpin right. Opens in the hairpin left. And fast medium right in the bump and dip 40. Medium left over small jump and fast medium left don't cut into stay right over small jump.
20th is a good result for the rally novice who tries to put into practice the techniques he's learned from sitting alongside some of the rallying greats in Lurgan